Peter the farmer loves tractors. They pull plows and trailers, but not everyone knows that tractors can also do much, much more. Every year, there is a tractor race. Peter and his wife, Tina, compete in their own tractors. They drive through the mud and trees to cross the finish line first. Tina is a great racer and wins the race almost every year. However, Peter is determined to do his best and win the race this year. Help Tina to put her medals in order. Drag each medal to the correct set. Congratulations! All the tractors have to be in tip-top shape, so there's lots to do. Check the oil, clean the radiators, change the filters, and so much more. Clean the radiator grill. Touch all the pieces of dust to remove them. Wonderful! Out in the forest, all the animals prepare the racetrack. They put the flags in the right places and paint the finish line. It's not rained for a week, so Pip teaches everyone how to make mud by mixing water and dirt. How can there be a tractor race without puddles of mud? Everything's ready for the race to begin. 3, 2, 1, go! Peter and Tina zoom off, and in a blink, Tina's leading the race. Complete the race with your tractor. Correct answer! As she turns the last corner, Tina gets stuck in the mud. Peter's so excited. This year, he can finally win the race. As he passes her, he sees how sad Tina is. He turns back to help her and ties a rope to her tractor. Slowly but surely, he pulls her tractor out of the mud. By pulling Tina's tractor, Peter crosses the finish line first. He has won at last, but he gives his medal to Tina. Why? Although winning is nice, making someone happy is super.